Did you know I was right over your head? Okay. Well, I don't want to be distracting you from what you're doing. Working on a new angle, calling it the old timer's perspective. I assume when you're all said and done, you come and you. Now that's just tacking it, and now you're gonna weld it, or is that welded?
That's done.
That's done.
Yep.
Just them few little zips. I don't know. Is that good quality control, or?
That's wonderful.
Oh, that's wonderful. That might be a little suspect. What color are you gonna paint it?
Probably black.